Welcome to Outlaw Edge. It's kind of loud right now. We're on the road, headed to kind of a bigger city. I'm not gonna say no names because it's where a friend of mine lives. But we're headed to Honest Peytons Speed Shop on YouTube. We're gonna go to their little hot rod shop. And sorry about that. Messages coming in. But Aspen and I, we're gonna go do some welding and hanging out and working on some hot rod stuff. Just having a good time doing some family stuff. What would you say, like dad and daughter stuff?
Yeah, pretty much.
So it should be pretty cool.
That's
But
how I was explaining
yeah, where?
it. What do you mean? Go to TM.
Oh, yeah,
No.
yeah. But anyways, so we're gonna be there in like an hour and a half. Sorry about the crap camera work. But I'll film some more when we get there, doing some welding, fabrication, working on some hot rods and stuff, and maybe we'll do our own little shop tour, walk around there and watch the girls work and show them how to weld and whatever. So it should be a blast. It should be a really good time today. So a lot of stuff going on. So like I said, when we get there, I'll try to turn the camera on, or oh, I forgot my tripod too. Damn, I forgot my tripod.
Forgot everything.
I know, we forgot everything. But anyways, you. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So right now I'm at Honest Peytons Speed Shop, and this is Peyton right here, and her dad's over here, and we're getting ready to do some welding and stuff, working on the coupe or the roadster or whatever. We're gonna practice doing some welding. And then I got Aspen with me. This is my stepdaughter. You guys have seen her in a lot of videos. And so we're gonna be doing a little bit of filming and whatever, and as we're going along and whatever, I'll try to do a little bit of filming in the shop, and, you know, like more welding or fabrication or anything that we're doing. Sorry about the heater noise, no big deal. You guys know I film on the fly. But I wanted to ask Peyton, in the next 5 years or maybe even 10 years, where do you see yourself as far as like your hot rod shop, and where do you want to go with this, and what do you like doing?
I think I would like do mechanic stuff because
Give me one second. Hear you better, okay?
because it's like I don't know, because it seems fun, and this would be really fun to do on, and like older cars and newer cars just to learn.
Do you like doing body work and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were just talking. We might bring this car, maybe this summer we'll bring this car, and we'll have you girls come in there, you and your dad and me and Aspen, and we'll maybe we'll repaint this car and do a flame job or something cool on that too, you know, like for a project where you can show it off, you know, when you're at car shows.
That would be really cool if it had flames, because he is obsessed with flames. He likes
Flame everything. Yep.
It should be.
Whatever happened to you not liking flames? You're like, you know what? Just no flames, and then now you just like obsessed with flames. Just
I made a mistake and sold those cars.
Hey, it's always a mistake when you sell all your projects, man. Hope you don't mind being on YouTube.
Nope.
But as far as like mechanical stuff, what do you like doing more? Like transmissions or motor work or chassis work? Or?
I think motor work and body work.
Yeah?
Because you get to learn.
more fun.
Yeah, and you get to learn about the car. You get to learn about the car's engine and how it works.
Yeah.
And the body work, you can like mess around and paint it, and basically do whatever you want with it.
And that's what I like about doing the body work and stuff, is you can do your own artistic stuff on the car, you know.
Especially pinstriping, that would be.
Yeah. Well, we can pinstripe it. She knows how to pinstripe.
I have no clue how. I'm like shaky as I don't know.
ADHD brain comes in handy.
Yeah.
No, she's a really good pinstriper. And then what we'll do is, you know, if you girls are there and practicing and whatever, I have all the pinstriping brushes and paints and whatever. You guys can start practicing together, you know.
Yeah.
It'd be fun.
Cause
Oh,
like
Dad's shutting the heater off. Now we're gonna get cold. When I was coming here this morning, he told me it was gonna be like 20 degrees.
I just figured it would be easier to not hear that.
But thanks for inviting us to your shop.
you're welcome.
We'll cruise around and do some work, huh?
Oh,
So we got Peyton teaching her how to weld today.
can I clip that?
Are you filming me? I'm filming you.
Can I clip this?
No, you're okay. Go ahead and just stick it in the right there in that seam, and do the same thing. Okay, there you go. Little like 3-second blast.
Okay.
Perfect. Yep. Now that I'm blind.
You need a second?
No, you're good.
Okay.
I'm hiding behind my phone here.
I'm blind now.
Right?
I missed.
I'll wait.
Go ahead.
You good?
We don't care about Dad.
Thanks.
Wow.
And then see if it sticks like that, just hit your trigger again, okay? So like, see right here, how you're above that?
Yeah.
You want to be in between that seam, okay?
Okay, I kind of like did that.
You can see the seam, right?
Yeah.
And then when you're hitting that, that's flashing dark, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you're good then.
Sparks are fun.
So now what we're doing is we flip the metal over, and we can see that she has really good penetration on there, and then she's spot welding the other piece together now that she's got it down. She's doing great. Filming?
Yep, cool.
All right, anyway, so Peyton had a turn, and now that she's tried out doing the spot welding and stuff, Aspen's welded before. She's not a pro, but she's kind of a pro. She's the boss of the shop, so we'll let her do it. So now she's gonna try with this little, this is a titanium, what'd you say, Harbor Freight? Harbor Freight welder, and it's 110, and it is flux core. So it's flux core only, no gas. What's that? No, you got it grounded right there, so.
Oh yeah, but you just threw it. Look.
Oh, I got you.
Same.
Yeah, you're okay. Try like that. Go for it.
Oh, buddy. Okay. Hey, careful. Oh, yes. Okay, you guys good?
Yeah, you're ready. Go ahead.
Where do you want me to start? Over here?
Just wherever you don't matter. You can tell she's welded on.
Oh, whoopsies. Hey, what did you do? I forgot what you want me to do after that.
All right, hold on. Let me grab some pliers. You can shut that.
Here,
Okay.
you're gonna want to grab, I think, a 5/8. Would probably be a good one to try. Nope. You're gonna beat over here, honey. 5/8. Probably. You might want to try this one too.
Oops, sorry about the crappy camera work.
So,
So Aspen's pulling off the zip ties for the, what is it, a vodka bottle or something?
This is just right here.
Don't drink that.
This is just right here.
under here, baby.
Okay.
Did you get a 5?
Yeah, I got what it is.
It could be not a 5/8.
It's
Yes, it is.
it's not. It's not.
Try the
what it
next
is.
one.
Close enough.
You're 3/4.
Yeah, I think it's 3/4, isn't it? Yeah.
That's why. I had to grab
Just
it.
grab a handful of sockets. It'll be fine.
I don't think it
Put them in your
is.
pockets. What I
It
do.
might be
This
the
is
same.
a 11/16.
Oh, it's kind of a
not.
pain in the ass, bro.
Go, honey.
They might need to do a wrench, because look at, there's that bracket right here.
Oh. What are we looking at?
Let's need a wrench.
So the girls are taking off the headlights right here,
Well, what size is the...
and then we're gonna cut these brackets off for them,
3/4?
and then that way they can get those headlights moved, and then they can drill the holes through here for the brackets, you know, to move the headlights forward a little bit and drop them down a little bit.
Lucy.
I would never make a camera person.
No.
Get on there.
There you go.
There we go.
You wanna do the other side?
Sure.
You got a
Have
wrench?
another one?
Yeah, what is that, 3/4, bro?
Yeah, 3/4.
2.5.
Hopefully.
Well, I had one. That's what.
Get on
Here's mine. 7/8.
What'd you say it was?
3/4. 3/4.
Yeah, 3/4.
That's a 14. Yeah.
Might be able to take it off by hand now.
You didn't use this one again.
No, she's got it. She got one.
Oh, not yet.
Everybody.
Yeah, this is pretty awesome letting the ladies do all the work.
No fair.
Me and Dad are just watching.
This is what he did before.
Yeah, that's all right.
He was under the car, he would just stand there and just,
Well, this is how you learn, right?
yeah.
If we stupidvise, then you guys learn. So that's what it's about. And the more you learn, the more you're worth. That's what I was always taught as a kid. You having fun? Yeah, good. You gonna do the other side?
I guess.
Yeah, you'll have to cut this side off and grind it up.
know how to cut it. So
Want me to help you?
I'm gonna wait for him.
All right. How'd that help?
No.
Now the girls are taking the blinkers off. And we're just gonna leave the wires for now because eventually this will get different blinkers.
Well, that's why. That's
What
why it
happened?
was sticking.
Go.
Alright.
Thank you. That was a lot of fun today. Now we had a lot of fun. It was cool. She got me some stickers and shirt and all that. Check it out. It's badass. I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. But we'll have her and Aspen in the shop soon. So one of these days you guys will be able to see us up there building some hot rods in my shop too. So, but very talented little girl, and you know, hopefully your channel takes off and we'll see what happens from there. But I appreciate you guys, the food and all this good stuff. Thanks you guys. Later.